Hello there. So, I wanted to check out Is This Love by Our Girls, XG. Um, Apparently it's from XG's first world tour, first HOWL final landing at Tokyo Dome. Thank you for this recommendation, and give me a second, I need to put this over here. All right, let's get to it. Ooh, who's that? Chisa. Ooh, what is that outfit? Ooh. I'm like looking at like what's on her. It's like a what? What is that? A flower? Look at the venue. Look at that venue. It is, yo, packed to the brim. Holy moly.
You're my sunshine, you're the only one I wanna give all my time. There's something about it, so sweet, we couldn't even help it. Yeah, I got a feeling, and I can't ignore it. I ain't playing no games, I mean what I say. Got you on my mind.
Ooh, I love this version. Oh, wow. Do you hear them? Ooh. Ooh, they sound amazing.
I ain't playing no games, I mean what I say. Got you on my mind. If you feel the same, don't you swing my way. Baby, don't make me wait. Don't know if it's meant to be, but it feels like everything. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Taking over me, feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love?
Coconuts, what is, does she have like some hair tied to like the back of her, like back here? That's crazy.
Is this love? Is this love? I don't know.
Ooh, I like the
why they
mouth.
say love is so blind, something so hard to find, but I think we found it.
Ooh, that piano is crazy. Ooh. Oh, this is actually like, amazing. Also, Juria looks great. Y'all see Juria? She looks great.
Say love is so blind, something so hard to find, but I think we found it. I think we got it, no doubt about it. If it ain't then what's love? What's love? Someone tell me what's up. What's up? What's love gonna do when you're feeling blue? You've been looking for the truth, so I'm telling you. All this time in the back of my mind, let me know when I never know. You got me like, oh, I don't care. I want you to take me there, baby. Let's get it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This piano version is just getting to me. It's getting to me.
Truth, so I'm telling you. All this time in the back of my mind, let me know when I never know. You got me like, oh, I don't care. I want you to take me there, baby. Let's get away. When I know when it means what is this love? 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 Taking over me, feel the energy. Is this love? 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 Taking over me, feel the energy. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Some things I just can't seem to figure out. This feeling of love jumping up and down. Get it? Just be honest. I'm stuck here with the same question.
Oh, there's no way. There's no way they did that. There's no way they did that. What? Oh, that caught me off guard. That actually caught me off guard. What? All right, all right, all right, all right, all right.
Love jumping up and down.
I love that.
I'm stuck here with the same question. Is this love? Over me and that energy. Is this love? So tell me, is this love?
I think that's my favorite dance in the song.
Is this love? So tell me, is this love?
It says howl at the back of her. Ooh, the first howl. Ooh. Thank you for the recommendation. That was amazing. That was bloody amazing. Oh wow. Yeah, coconut with a howl at the back of her head. Ooh, that was cool. That was cool. Yeah, this piano version is like, it's really really good. Did they only play this once? Like only during this what's it called, tour? Like this dome, sorry, the Tokyo Dome. Or did they also like perform this version at other venues? Let me know. Yeah, great video as always. The girls killed it. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.